Hey everybody, it's Matty here with Altcoin Buzz, and I hope you're having a good one. Today we're going to talk about all of this controversy that is suddenly surrounding Coinbase. You may have heard about the delete Coinbase hashtag. We'll let you know what that is all about. We'll also let you know about some big news with Enjin blockchain that has been performing so well lately and their relationship to Unity. They are entering increasingly into the world of gaming, as is Samsung, because they also overlap with Unity. We'll get to the specifics of that. We'll get to some performance metrics about Binance Coin and how it's doing quite well against Bitcoin, and a brief update at the very end of this video about the Litecoin Foundation's Xinxi Wang, who says proof of stake has no visible advantage over proof of work. Let's begin here today, however, with Tomochain updates on altcoinbuzz.io. Staking on Masternodes wars. Article here by Deepika. So Tomochain is a cutting-edge solution to the scalability problems with the Ethereum in particular and other current blockchain platforms. It's an EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, compatible blockchain which offers benefits like low transaction fees, double validation, fast confirmation times, and highly secured transactional systems. Tomochain seems to be an ideal solution for decentralized applications, token issuances, and token integrations for small and big companies alike. So if you're not familiar, Tomo has a circulating supply of 59 million tokens and a max supply that will eventually reach 100 million tokens. The most active exchange for Tomo is KuCoin. Here you can read in the rest of this article all about what a masternode is in the first place. We realize that many of you are new to this space. We continue to add new subscribers, so it's no shame in if you don't know what it is. A masternode is just a computer on a decentralized network such as Tomochain or any other, which is running 24 hours a day. Masternodes are full nodes that create, verify, and validate new blocks, in this case in Tomochain's platform. If you want to learn more about how to become a masternode candidate, you can read about this here in the case of Tomo. You can also read about the rewards that go into the masternode candidate system. You can read also about token voter incentives and all kinds of other information here about the Masternode Council, the staking wars, and Deepika's own recommendation as to whether or not it is worthwhile. So check this out. There's a lot of great information in this article here from March 3rd. In related news here on blog.midas.foundation, cessation of Tomo masternodes run by Midas Foundation. Article here from a couple of weeks ago now, the 21st of February. In order to support Tomochain's mainnet launch, Midas has been setting up and running masternodes King Midas 1, 2, and 3 on Tomochain to support Midasians who contribute to the pool by their MAS tokens. If you guys want to read more about this update and what this team is up to, do be sure to check it out. We're going to link to that in the description below. Let's move on to what is probably the main story of the day. All this controversy, as I mentioned, that is surrounding Coinbase. So here you have a tweet by Andreas Antonopoulos. Coinbase's new acquisition is not just a surveillance company. It's much worse than that. This is all the way back from the 21st of February 2019. It's now just suddenly blowing up. If you're scratching your head as to what this is all about, well, let's illuminate more on this issue. John Light here at Litecoin. Coinbase earns the label, quote, enemy of cryptocurrency for their shameless association with serial human rights violators. Heavy stuff. So what are they talking about here? As covered on ambcrypto.com, Coinbase providers were selling client data to outside sources, says their sales director. Explains why XRP. So Coinbase, which is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the US, is currently one of the hot topics in cryptocurrency. With controversy around the platform's Neutrino acquisition and XRP listing, the latest revelations made by the Director of Institutional Sales, that's Christine Sandler, has added more drive to the hashtag delete Coinbase movement. In an interview with Cheddar, Sandler spoke about the platform's decision to list XRP, the third largest cryptocurrency, despite speculation over the coin being classified as a security in the first place. She also revealed the reason behind acquiring Neutrino, a blockchain analytics startup. She said the following about XRP being listed, quote, I think there was some speculation that the asset would be classified as a security or not. We're not securities lawyers. We felt that there was some speculation that the asset would be classified as a security or not. We felt that there were compelling arguments on either side to deem it a security or not. And here Sandler went on to reveal the real shocking reason as to why Coinbase had to acquire Neutrino. She said that, quote, it was really important for the exchange to move away from its current provider as, quote, our current providers were actually selling our client data to outside sources. And it was really compelling for us to kind of get control over that and have proprietary technology that we could leverage on to keep the data safe and to protect our clients. We're here on CryptoPotato.com now. Coinbase executive, our client data was sold by third-party providers. The recent controversial acquisition of Neutrino, a blockchain tracking startup by Coinbase, has led to criticisms against the exchange from members of the crypto community. Again, here's another take on Sandler's compelling reason for the acquisition. Quote, we are aware that Neutrino's co-founders previously worked at Hacking Team, which we reviewed as part of our security, technical, and hiring diligence. So by now you may have seen this hashtag delete Coinbase. It's been pretty prominent in the crypto community. The hashtag delete Coinbase, which started on social media after the acquisition, has continued to trend, requesting crypto users to delete their Coinbase accounts following the acquisition. While no one currently knows which data were sold off by the tracking providers, it could hurt users, especially since Coinbase is stringent with its Know Your Customer or KYC procedures. Let us know if you're outraged by this in the comments below. I'm not quite as angry as some of the people that I've seen out there in the space. However, it's not good news and it's certainly not good publicity for Coinbase. Let us know your thoughts on the dailyhodlhere.com. You can read about it as well. Crypto exchange Coinbase confronts hashtag delete Coinbase campaign, admits working with companies that compromise customer data. And on the brighter side of things now, we're switching over to Enjin news here on blog.enjincoin.io, announcing the Enjin blockchain SDK for Unity coming to Ethereum Testnet. The world's most powerful blockchain game development platform will soon be live on the world's largest game engine. This article from March 3rd. We are talking, of course, about Enjin and Unity and a pairing that I think is very complementary. So, Unity is the world's most popular game engine, home to over 4.5 million developers and responsible for 28 billion game installs on 3 billion devices. Quote, I'm proud to announce that in partnership with Unity Technologies, we will be launching the testnet version of our blockchain SDK for Unity just in time to demo it at the world's largest game industry event, that is GDC. And moving forward, Unity and Enjin will be launching an aggressive co-marketing campaign to gain maximum traction among Unity's community of millions of leading-edge developers. Yes, needless to say, we're excited. We've partnered with Unity Technologies and built the blockchain SDK for the benefit of developers and gamers alike. The blockchain SDK will enable game and application developers to create and integrate next-generation ERC-1155 blockchain assets into their games and manage their distribution with ease. And check this out, the blockchain SDK for Unity will enable developers to integrate blockchain assets into games for over 25 mass market platforms, including Android, iOS, PlayStation, Xbox, Wii, and Microsoft. And not only is Enjin getting involved with Unity, but here on VentureBeat.com, there are whispers and rumors that Samsung is doing something similar. So here you have an article, again, from a couple of weeks ago, February 20th here. Samsung partners with Unity to help games run better on Galaxy S10. And of course, more recently, we've heard news that, again, it's just something out of the rumor mill. Those screenshots could be fake, but Enjin may in fact be partnering with Samsung. That at least was the rumor that sparked the latest uptick in price. More than an uptick, it was actually quite a moonshot. Can you imagine that if not only Enjin is partnering with Samsung, but Enjin is partnering with Unity, which is also partnering with Samsung? This is a holy trinity here, potentially. Again, let me preface all of this by saying nothing is yet confirmed, but things do seem to be moving in a certain direction here. So just looking at this article quickly, Samsung is working with game engine maker Unity Technologies to help games run smoother on the new Samsung Galaxy S10 smartphone. The S10 is like a, quote, supercomputer in your pocket, said Samsung product marketing manager Drew Blackard at today's Unpacked event. Blackguard said Samsung is working closely with Unity, which powers half the games available, for smoother and more seamless performance with graphics-intensive games. The S10 has 29% faster central processing unit, CPU, and 37% faster graphics processing unit, GPU, over its predecessor, the S9. So again, we can't confirm with 100% certainty, but Samsung, Enjin, Unity, that would be a triple match made in heaven. You can also read about that here on economictimes.indiatimes.com. Fancy digital currency, Samsung Galaxy S10 comes with built-in cryptocurrency wallet. This article from the 4th of March. And in a little bit of quick news that I will alert to your attention, but that we won't necessarily go through in detail, we're here on trustnodes.com. Binance Coin surpasses Tron and Stellar, reaches all-time high in Bitcoin. So Binance Coin BNB has risen to the 8th position in market cap, overtaking Tron and Stellar on current volumes of $87 million, giving it a market cap of $1.6 billion. So what's with the price rise? Well, unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, or many other tokens, BNB is more of a stock than a crypto. Binance buys back BNB with 20% of its profits, which in a way is like a stock dividend. There's also a lot happening in terms of Binance and their strategy. And I've said it before, but they are taking over the world and they're doing a pretty good job of it, at least the world of cryptocurrency. So if you want to read more about why this particular author feels that BNB is performing very, very well, you can check out this article. Of course, we're going to link to it in the description below. And in other quick news that unfortunately now we've run out of time, but do be sure to check this out as well on ambcrypto.com. Litecoin Foundation's Xinxi Wang says proof of stake has no visible advantage over proof of work. If you're interested in getting Wang's perspective here, you can check this out. There's some good quotes that are sprinkled into the article. And with that, everybody, a lot of news happening, so do be sure to follow us on all the regular social media to stay abreast with the latest. Also, be sure you're checking back into our website, altcoinbuzz.io. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, smash the thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to click the bell to receive notifications. Our last couple of videos are here for you to check out if you have not already. I wish you only the very best of luck if you choose to invest, and do be sure to check in soon. We do hope to see you again in our next video. Take care, guys.